Good morning, everybody. This is my first class of class 9 science due to the lockout. Okay, as you will know that we have been in the house, remaining in the house for many days due to COVID-19. Okay, so we are starting our online classes. So my first chapter for the online class will be lesson 9. So now take out your books and open lesson 9. Okay, are you there, everybody? Yes. Now take out lesson 9. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is force and laws of motion. Right. Okay, now concentrate. Okay, because I will explain some things, but you have to take down, you have to find out the answers from the chapter itself. Okay, so now the name of the lesson is force and laws of motion. Okay, so now the first thing is that what is force. Okay, we have gone through force, the definition of force in the lower classes. In 7 and 8 we have this definition and you have also come through, but I am sure that you have now forgotten. Okay, so what is force? Okay, so force is a pull, it is a pull, okay, or push on an object that changes the position or motion of the object. Okay, so if something is here, I pull it or I push it, and if it is changing its position, if it is changing its state of motion, that means that force is applied there. If there is no change in an object, then we say that it is not a force. So force always changes the state of the object. Okay, so once again, what is force? Force is a pull or push on an object that changes the state of the position or motion of the object. Clear? Now, as you can see the board, refer to the board. I have already written down on the board force. Okay, force are basically of two types. You can refer, kindly concentrate. Force are of two types. One is balanced force and the other is an unbalanced force. Okay, so what are the two types of forces? The two types of forces, it is one is balanced force and the other is an unbalanced force. Okay, so what is balanced force? Now, balanced force is that when two forces from this direction and this direction, that means when two forces from opposite direction, either they pull the object or they apply push on the object, and if that object doesn't move, that means the two forces are balanced to each other. Okay, so two of your friends also can try. Now with the friends you cannot try, we can try only with your family members. Put a table in between and try to pull or push from two sides. If the table is not moving, that means it is a balanced force. You both persons are equally strength, having the same strength. Clear? Now the next type. What is the next type? Forgot na? The next type is unbalanced force. Write it down. As I say it down, so write it in your copy, because when I give the questions you have to prepare and submit. Okay, so the next type of force is unbalanced force. So what is unbalanced force? Same thing. When two forces acting on an object in opposite direction, whether they are applying pull or they are pushing the object, and if the object moves in any one direction, that means it is unbalanced force. Okay, so if you have your sister or brother, try to pull or push a table in your house, and if it moves in any one direction, that means that is unbalanced force. So one is having more strength than the other. Clear? So this is about the force. So force, okay, and then two types of forces, balanced and unbalanced force. Okay, now In earlier classes we have the definition for the what is now. Can you say what is the SI unit of force? I know many of you don't know. Yes, Daimari, Bilifan, can you answer? Smiling, na? Okay. So what is the SI unit of force? The SI unit of force is Newton. Okay. We have gone through it in our earlier chapter in lesson 8. Okay. SI unit of force is Newton. Okay. Now, see. Now when we turn the next page, what I have told you now about the force and the balanced and unbalanced force, it is in the first two pages. It is in the first two pages of the chapter. Okay. Now we turn the page. As you turn the page, we will see that it is written the first law of motion. Okay. First law of motion. Before going through the motion, what I want to say that this laws of motion, there is not only one law, there are three laws of motion, and this is given by Sir Isaac Newton. Okay, these three laws are universally applicable, everywhere it is accepted. Okay, so there is laws of motion. Okay, laws of motion, we have three kinds: first, second and third. We have the three types of motion: first law of motion, second law of motion and third law of motion. Today in this class we will discuss only with the first law of motion. Okay, so you have the topic as 9.2 in page 116, the first law of motion. Okay, so what is the first law of motion? Before going into the first law of motion, what we will go? We will look for one more definition. Okay, we will go for one more definition, that is inertia. That is referred to as inertia. Okay, now what is inertia? Okay, inertia similes to first law of motion, first law similes to inertia. If you know the definition of inertia, you can clearly say the first law of motion, and if you can say first law of motion, you are clearly with the inertia definition. Okay, now what is inertia? Inertia is that property. Inertia is that property of an object that does not allow to change that state of the object. Either the object is in rest, then it will remain at rest, and if the object is in motion, then the object will be continue moving in the same motion in the same direction, unless it is applied by any external force. Okay, now we come to the first law of motion definition. Okay, what does it say? You can refer to page 116. Okay, you can find that there is a first law of motion. It is clearly written there that an object remains in a state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless it is applied by any external force. Okay, so this is exactly what inertia says. So in the starting only I told first law is inertia, inertia is first law. Okay, so what we have gone through, a quick revision. Okay, a quick revision of what we have gone through. Okay, so what we have gone through: first, what is force, what are the two different types of forces. Okay, then we came to the definition for inertia, SI unit of inertia, and then the first law of motion. We have told that there are three types of motion, and it was given by Sir Isaac Newton. So we come to the conclude to the first law of motion. So after the class, what I will do, I will send a few questions as an homework that you have to do the same day, and in the evening before 7:30 you have to you have to write down in your copy, take a photo of that and send it to the group. Okay, so then only we can come to know that you people are doing your homework, classwork, and the revision, and also the learning. Okay, so lastly, stay at home and be safe. In this way, this is the only way that we can fight the virus. Which virus? Now everybody knows. Okay, thank you.